If you are anything like me, you don't want just one bad trading day to wipe out all your good trading days, right? And this is why I highly recommend you to start using trade journals. And no, you will not need to pay 40 or 50 bucks. Actually, you can get access to the same trade journal I will show you during this video absolutely for free. So here are 3 of my actual trading sessions from last week. And as you can see, 2 of them were profitable and 1 was not. But the most important thing I learned from these 3 days wasn't how much money I made. It was how much money I should have stopped myself from losing. So this is LMC Trade Journal Engine. It's absolutely free. I can export my trades from Tradovate as a CSV file, import that file to the journal, and immediately see what's actually happened. Okay, so my net P&L, win rate, profit factor, trade expectancy, number of trades, drawdown, etc. Right? And most importantly, I can compare one trading session against another because your P&L tells you what happened. Right? So let's take a look at these sessions. On this first day, I finished with 573 bucks in profit, 9 trades, a 66.7 win rate, and 249 profit factor. Good day. But now, look at the next session. And as you can see, 10 trades, only 40% win rate, profit, and I finished this session with a drawdown of 640 bucks. And since I'm using a 50K account, my drawdown should be maximum 500 bucks. So first of all, what I did the next day, I switched my day loss limit to 500 bucks maximum. Okay. So at one point, my peak drawdown reached $790. And by the way, again, this is an Apex 50K evaluation account. And looking back at this session, my mistake wasn't simply having losing trades. Losing trades are part of trading, but my mistake was allowing a difficult session to continue too far. Virtually, we didn't have a trend at all. So when you have this bloody choppy market, and this is where you should just bloody stop your trading. Okay. And this is the biggest lesson out of these 3 days. 2 were profitable and 1 was negative. So you don't need every day to be a winning day. What you need is to prevent one difficult day from doing unnecessarily damage to several good days, right? That's why I believe every trader should define 3 numbers before the session begins. How much am I willing to risk per trade? How much am I willing to lose today? And at what point do I stop trading, right? So those decisions should be made before you even start doing your trading. Okay, so if you want to get access to this same trading journal I use, all you need to do is just need to go to your Tradovate account, pick the number of days you want to download CSV file, and simply click upload CSV file to this trade journal, and voila, you will have the same picture and you will see what's going on with your day trading, right? So this is what I would do if I were you. So here again, if you like this video, please give me some comments, likes, tell me a bit more about your trading, and if you want to use trading indicators that we created for newbie day traders who simply want to master futures day trading, prop trading, modern prop trading blueprint, you'll find all the information down below in the description to this video.